dream I know, deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
The former presidential candidate of the Labour Party, Peter Obi, has urged President Bola Ahmed Tinubu administration to stop the controversial Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway project because it will lead to massive loss of jobs at the time of rampant unemployment. But before we proceed, alright my people, welcome back to this wonderful channel as we bring you back-to-back updates and information as it is hot. In case it's your first time of joining us on this channel, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and also turn notification bell in case anytime our news drop. Now you could be the first to watch. To all our returning subscribers, thank you so much for joining us on today's news. Now on the news, the former presidential candidate of the Labour Party, Mr. Peter Obi, has urged President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's administration to stop the controversial Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway project because it's going to lead to massive loss of jobs at the time of rampant unemployment. According to Peter Obi, he said it is not too late to discontinue the Lagos-Calabar Highway project. He said the urgent necessity that are needed nationwide are security, poverty eradication, healthcare, and education, especially for the poor and unprivileged. Obi described the report's demolition of businesses and residences in the designated right way for the project as insensitive and heart-wrenching. In a post on his X handle on Tuesday, April 30, the former Anambra State Governor, Peter Obi, said that the hasty flag-off goes against the outcry of businesses and property owners directly affected by the project. He said they contrary to the reason and the necessity for compassion in public policy. He said the federal government has commenced the controversial Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway project, that the outcry against this project has been overwhelming due to the current situation in the country. Reports as of yesterday indicate that demolition of businesses and residences in the designated right way for the project has commenced from Lagos end. That the site of this insensitive demolition is heart-wrenching because livelihoods are being wiped away, lifetime investments are being wasted, and jobs are disappearing as bulldozers roll through. That the homes of the elderly are being overturned by the power of bulldozer. Just imagine. He said this hasty flag-off defies the widespread outcry for the public, especially businesses and properties owners directly affected by the project. So nobody knows the outcry that will accompany this project as it progresses towards poor rural landscapes. The way we are looking at the things, thousands of jobs are about to be lost, with investments above $200 million at risk. 100,000 jobs in the leisure and hospitality sector face imminent extensions, along with 80 small businesses and their 40,000 mostly youth employees. So at the time of rampant unemployment, the government is embarking on a job-losing project. The economic losses currently observed are primarily limited to the initial kilometers in the Lagos area. Peter Obi is telling the federal government that the stretch of this road will pass through rural regions where affected individuals lack voice, power, or influence to ascertain their rights. Significant sections of the public have questioned the process preceding the project approval, yet the government remained deaf to reason and caution. While acknowledging the economic value of the roads, Peter Obi said that its perception dating back to Tafawa Balewa's time that several parameters have changed. Insecurity and poverty are rampant, placing this project lower on today's national priority. Peter Obi said it is time to question the rationale and timing of this and similar projects because the nation is in its worst economic state in history, with poverty and hunger spreading, that the basic necessities of life are beyond reach for most Nigerians. So this is a moment when a committed government cannot embark on non-essential projects. Existing highway urgently need maintenance, and insecurity makes travel unsafe. Just a few days ago, many lives were lost and over 70 vehicles were burned in fuel tanker explosion that occurred on the East-West Road in Rivers State. This tragedy accident was primarily caused by the extremely poor condition of the road, which has been neglected for years and urgently need attention. So Peter Obi is telling the federal government that our economy is struggling and our health institutions are ill-equipped. Why are they going to embark on an expensive new high project when there are close to 50,000 abandoned federal highway projects across the country? That the urgent necessity are nationwide security, poverty eradication, healthcare, and education, especially for the poor and underprivileged. That is not too late for them to discontinue the Lagos-Calabar Highway project. Peter Obi said the way they have seen it now that Nigeria cannot afford another expensive abandoned project. Because right now, Nigeria urgent development needs are more real and essential. So they don't need landscape decoration. Escapade. My people would not be small matter. Many people come there attack Peter Obi. They said coastal road that will reduce unemployment that during after construction. They say now wow that if na Peter Obi be president then. They say which means they for not build third mainland bridge. My people but if una check am, people will never feel patch Lagos Ibadan Express for decades and to build a highway from Lagos to Calabar. If not for bragging rights, why else will a government that cannot fix existing road indulge in such waste? 10 years from now, that road will still be 20% completed, but most of the fund looted. Then any government that dares complete it, people will always chant. We know the tricks governments are using. Honestly, I've never seen such a clueless and wicked government like this before, destroying investments and creating more unemployment for a so-called bridge that won't even be completed in the next 10 years. Hey, how do you want to attract more investors then with this kind of acts? People as matter be now, you know, say many people know like Peter Obi. Many people they tell us me rest for once that this is a capital intensive project and it will create massive employment opportunity at the same time. My question is, have they finished fixing all the federal roads and they are here trying to make highway roads? Honestly, President Bola Tinubu government one choke person die. What doesn't kill a man will makes a man stronger. Because these are unnecessary project engagements, all in the name of covering up for looted funds, making them untraceable. A massive project that can't and won't be finished before they leave office. Hey, the same way they did in Lagos. Many abandoned projects, they are wasting money for no reason, just because they want to make the track untraceable. Hey, existing highway that lead to the same Calabar are in a terrible condition and yet to be fixed. Many people they think say Peter Obi opinion no matter. It be like say it matter this time. Because it be like say there is something in that Calabar way where Lagos state government they eye. Because I don't understand why they want chook head put for that construction where they no go even fit finish in the next regime. So guys, I go like make I know what I think about this matter in the comment section. Let's keep the conversation live in our comment section. Once again, thank you all so much for staying with us. We really do appreciate. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do us a favor to like and subscribe and also share. Don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified when we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trend and latest news happening on social media. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you all so much for staying with us. To all our viewers out there, thank you all so much for staying with us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Like, your winners. Stay safe, guys. Bye.